Do you have sciatica that's really crippling you and you're having a hard time functioning in your life? I have a 6-class sessions that you can get that within a week your sciatica in many cases will be alleviated. It's all about supporting that lumbar spine and keeping those sciatic nerve roots from being pinched and compressed. It's not about pulling your belly in. It's not about stretching your back. It's easy to fix actually, but you have to stop stretching and doing things that are causing more sciatica. It's not about stretching your piriformis. It's not about stretching the deep glutes. It's not about pulling on your back. It's about training your breathing apparatus to strengthen the core around your spine and keep your spine in its natural curves, but lifted and decompressed. And sciatica can be alleviated quite quickly. You don't have to suffer with it. I'm Michelle Edwards, creator of Yoga Line and Fit Align Posture Training.